Hi, in this recording we will learn more about utilizing the fill handle. From a previous recording I showed you how you can use a fill handle to copy a formula down or up really, so it works in different directions. So let's take a look at how the fill handle works. So let's say I type 1 here, right? And I use the fill handle to drag this down. See, it copies the 1 down. But if I click on autofill options, I can fill series. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 10, for example. Also, if I type, for example, 1, 2, now we are already helping Excel out to see what to put for the rest when I use the fill handle. So if I select both of these numbers, drag the fill handle, it will do the rest for me. You can also go this direction as well and click here, fill series, right? I can also go up if I want. I can go to this side as well by clicking and dragging this way and fill series. So let's say I have 8, 6, right? So if I use the fill handle, of course, I'm gonna put 4, 2, and so let's try it. See how it's filling the rest for me using the fill handle. And now if I drag it upward, it goes the other way, right? So it's increasing the numbers this way. You can also use the fill handle, like let's say I want to delete this. A quick way to do that is I can click on the intersection point between the columns and the rows and hit delete. And so let's say I have Monday, right? And I want to put the rest of the days of the week. So I can click and drag to get the other days of the week, and you see once it goes to Sunday, it goes back to Monday. I can also do the months as well. And you can, as I said earlier, you can use different directions. So if I want to go this way to the right, we have the months of the year. What if I have something like first period? So we have second, third, fourth, right? I can use the fill handle to do that for me. And let's say we do quarters, like first quarter. I can drag this. Of course, we have 4 quarters, so it's going to go to the fourth, then it goes back to first. So you see how powerful the fill handle is. Of course, it's not really smart. It's programmed to work this way. So these are common things that you typically use when you use the fill handle.